everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with Nick with Mountains to Metal, and there's something very cool in this Bronco that not only do I like it, but I'm trying to figure out how to get to the top of the list to get it when they launch it. And let's do this. Nick, you want to tell us all about it?
Yeah. All right, one cool thing about ours, we got the rear side mollies here, and you don't have to have those in here to do our rear cargo tray. You can do one or the other or both. One cool thing about this one, it is on gas springs, and this will flip up. You can put about 50 pounds of weight on there and it'll still hold it up. Access your fridge here. And we also have another prototype right now we're working on for a SEMA build. We got to make a couple changes to that, but that'll be on the site soon. And these molly panels are on the site now. This will be up here in about 2 or 3 weeks.
All right, so you'll see that's a pretty cool option there. Now, not currently available. What is available? Anything back there yet?
Yes, we actually got some new steps as well on the side, but yeah, the rear mollies are currently available.
Okay.
And this will be, like I said, in a couple weeks.
You're going to see it on my Bronco too, because this setup in the back is right. I've been trying to think what we're going to do to mod it and hold everything that I want to hold in the back of the Bronco and not take all the space up. I can tell you right now, this works for me, and so we're definitely going to get it. So watch out for that. And you'll see it on the channel soon whenever it's available. Yeah. Anyway. So I appreciate everyone here at Mountains to Metal. Nick, thanks for doing this.
No problem. Check us out, mountainstometal.com.
mountainstometal.com. Check them out. And if you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you know we go live, right? All the stuff. Did I cover all the usual stuff?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. And welcome to, I guess we're getting ready to leave here, actually. Overland Expo East here in Arlington, Virginia. It's been a cool event. Was it cold last night?
Just a little bit. I heard a lot of Broncos starting up. What about yours?
My Bronco ran on and off for about 2 hours. So, all right, everyone, see you.